Hello my dear pretty girls and handsome boys. How are you all? I hope you all are safe. Have you done your homework? I had given some homeworks in your notebook. Did you finish that? Okay, fine. I know my kids are very smart and very talented. Okay, in the last class we discussed 3-letter words with as sound. Today we are going to study 3-letter words with a sound. That means the letter is E, sound is A. The letter is E, sound is A. Before that, shall we say one rhyme? Are you ready for that? Okay, tell me, which is the biggest fruit in the world? Yes, that is jackfruit. So, shall we say the jackfruit rhyme? Are you ready? Yes, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Jackfruit, jackfruit, we love you. You are the biggest among the fruits. You are tasty, you are sweet. Jackfruit, jackfruit, we love you. Very good children. Okay, now I am going to draw some pictures. You have to identify that picture. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, now all of you look at the board. Yes. You have to identify this picture. Okay, tell me, what is this? This is a net. This is a net. Okay, tell me, which sound you are hearing first when I said net? Net. So, which letter we have to write here? That is N. The letter is N. Sound is A. Which letter we have to write? That is E. The letter is E. Sound is A. Letter is E. Sound is A. Net. Yes. T. The letter is T. Sound is T. Net. 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 Okay. Now the next picture. Can you identify this number? Tell me, which number is this? Yes, this is 10. Which number is this? 10. Okay, tell me, which sound you are hearing first when I said 10? T. Which letter I have to write here? Very good. T. T. Then A. That means the letter is E. Sound is A. T. A. 10. 10. All of you read once again. T. A. 10. 10. Okay. Now we are moving to the next picture. Yes. The next picture is, which color is this? Yes, it is red color. Which color is this? Red color. Okay, tell me, which sound you are hearing first when I said red? Yes, R. That means red. Which letter? R. Very good. The letter is R. Sound is R. E. The letter is E. Sound is A. The letter is E. Sound is A. Red. Red. Okay. Red. Okay. Now the next picture. Yes. Can you identify this picture? Can you identify this picture? This is a pen. This is a pen. Okay, so tell me, which sound you are hearing first? P. Which letter we have to write there? P. Very good. P. A. Pen. P. A. Pen. Okay, clear? Now one more picture I am going to draw. That is Yes, you have to identify this picture. Okay, do you know which picture is this? Any idea? Yes, now the picture is almost ready. Yes. Okay. Do you know what is this? Spider lives in a web. What is this? Yes, this is a web. This is a web. So tell me which sound you are hearing first? W. Yes, that is W. The letter is W. Sound is W. The letter is W. Sound is W. A. The letter is E. Sound is A. A. Web. Yes. Okay. Read once again. A. Web. Okay. Web. Okay. Maybe do you know what is the difference between the sound A and the sound A? Okay, I will explain. Maybe there is a small confusion for the kids, that's why I am explaining like this. So, here I am going to write A and E. Okay, tell me, the letter is A, sound is A. The letter is E, sound is A. So, here the sound is a small stretch A, and here A. Okay, for example, try to read this and this one. Okay, do you know what is the difference between these two words? Here bad. Okay, bad, and this is bed. This is bad and this is bed. Got it? Then one more example. Pan. Okay, this is pan, and next one is pen. Okay, what is the difference between these two words? This is pan and this is pen. This is pan and this is pen. How to say this? This is bad. This is bad and this is bed. I think I am clear. Okay. So, shall we do a small activity? Are you ready for that? Okay. Okay. Now, we are going to do a small activity. All of you look at the board. Okay. Here you can see some stars. Okay. Tell me how many stars are here? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stars. How many stars? 5 stars. And these 5 stars, they have their own words, means 5 different sound words. Okay. Then here you can see a box. The activity is you have to collect the words with A sound words. Okay. Are you ready? So, if you want to collect the A sound words, what do you have to do? First, we have to read that. Okay. Will you read with me? Yes. Come. Okay. Read this. Web. Is it an A sound word? Yes, it is an A sound word. So, shall we take that one? Yes. So, I am going to take the first star. Okay. Then, I am going to keep it in this box. Yes, I got 1 star. Now I am going to read the other one. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Pin. Is it an A sound word? No, it is not an A sound word. Okay, the next one. Cat. Is it an A sound word? No, it is not an at sound word. Okay, now the next one. Log. Log. Is it an at sound word? No, it is not an at sound word. Now we are going to read the last one. Hen. Is it an at sound word? Yes, it is an at sound word. So shall we take that? Yes. Now we are going to take that one and I am going to put it in this box. Yes, now I got 2 stars. How many stars I got? I got 2 stars. So shall we read once again? Yes. Hen and web. Okay. Yes. So these are the at sound words which we collected. Okay. So that's all for today. See you on next class. Okay. Bye-bye.
Hi my dear children. How are you? I hope you are feeling good today. Isn't it? Yes. Did you practice cursive letter I and U? Okay. Shall we write on the board? Yes. First letter, cursive letter I. This is cursive letter I. Now we can write cursive letter U. Okay, you have to practice in the slate. Okay, children. Today I am going to give you one surprise. Yes. Yes. What is this? Yes, children. This is a finger puppet. This is very easy to make. Do you want to make this? Yes. For that, we need one paper. Color paper. Okay. Which shape is this? Square. Very good. You have to take one square paper. After that, you have to keep both ends together and paste it. Okay, like this. Then, okay, I will paste this one. Yes, now we will get like this shape. Okay, you can put on the finger. Now, it is completed? No, you have to paste another picture, that face of the picture, that is like this. Now I pasted here one face. Okay, now it is ready. What is this? Finger puppet. Now shall we say one rhyme? Okay. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Now, this is finger family. Okay, do you want to see finger family rhyme? Okay, let's watch.
We are the finger family. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
I'm going to introduce cursive letter C. Which one? Cursive letter C. Okay. Shall we write cursive letter C? Okay. Keep your pencil on the third line. Slanting line, touch the second line, curve and come down and jump. Okay children, again. Okay, like this you have to practice in the slate. Okay children, well done. Now today's tip, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.